Welcome back to AI Millionaire Movement. Are you looking for a powerful way to generate passive income using your brain instead of your back? You are in the right spot. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can become an AI consultant, a high-value, low-competition career path that allows you to earn passive income by helping others harness the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a tech expert or just someone passionate about the future, this opportunity could completely transform your financial life. So make sure to stick around to the end where I'll share real-world examples, automation tools, and a blueprint to get started with zero upfront investment. And hey, if you find this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest money-making strategies in AI. What is an AI consultant? An AI consultant is someone who advises businesses, entrepreneurs, or creators on how to implement AI tools, systems, or strategies into their workflows. You don't have to be a coder or data scientist. In fact, the most in-demand consultants today are AI translators, people who understand the problems businesses face and can recommend or implement AI-based solutions using no-code tools. You're basically a bridge between the problem and the tool. And businesses are willing to pay good money for that bridge. Here's the kicker. Once you set up AI workflows for a client like customer service automation, content generation, lead tracking, or AI chatbots, you often don't need to keep showing up. The system runs on autopilot. That's where the passive income part comes in. You can charge ongoing maintenance fees, license the system you created, or offer a subscription model for support or updates. AI consulting isn't just a high-ticket service, it's scalable. One setup can serve 10 clients with minor tweaks. Once you've built your base systems and templates, your earnings can multiply without multiplying your hours. Top niches to offer AI consulting services in. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Specialization leads to higher fees and easier marketing. 1. Real estate. Automate lead follow-ups, schedule property viewings using AI chatbots, or generate personalized property descriptions. 2. E-commerce. Implement AI for product recommendations, customer service chatbots, or auto-generated product ads. 3. Coaching and info products. Help digital coaches turn their content into AI-powered courses, quizzes, or chat-based learning experiences. 4. Law firms. Automate legal research, client intake, and simple document generation using secure AI tools. 5. Healthcare HIPAA-compliant AI automation for appointment reminders, patient onboarding, and more. Pick one and go deep. How to get started as an AI consultant with no experience. You don't need a tech degree. You just need a solid understanding of what's possible with today's AI tools and how to apply them to real problems. Step 1. Learn the tools. Start with ChatGPT, Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, Notion AI, and custom GPTs. Then explore niche-specific platforms like Jasper for content or Synthesia for video automation. Step 2. Create sample systems. Build a portfolio of automations you can demo to potential clients. For example, set up a customer onboarding system for a fake coaching business. Record a video explaining how it works. Step 3. Offer your service on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, or TopTal. Your gig could be: I'll set up AI workflows for your business, or automate your customer support with AI. Step 4. Transition to passive income by packaging your services. Offer a monthly subscription for AI system maintenance, create templates to resell, or build a course teaching others how to do what you do. Let's say you help a small business automate their customer support using ChatGPT integrated into their website with Zapier and a custom prompt system. You charge $500 for setup. Then you offer a $100 per month support and update plan. You get 5 clients like that, and you're earning $1,000 per month in passive income with just 1 week of setup work. Now imagine doing that across 5 different niches. You're not working harder, you're working smarter. How to promote your AI consulting service? You don't need to be a marketing guru. Just follow a simple content strategy. 1. Create short videos showing how AI automations solve real problems. 2. Post tutorials or demos on LinkedIn, Twitter, X, and TikTok. Use hashtags like hashtag AI consultant, hashtag AI for business, hashtag passive income with AI. 3. Write a simple lead magnet, like 10 ways AI can save your business 10 hours a week. Use it to collect leads via email or DMs. 4. Offer a free audit, where you analyze a business's processes and show what could be automated. This builds trust and often leads to a sale. Best tools for AI consultants to scale. Here's a quick list of tools to add to your AI consultant toolkit. ChatGPT, Claude AI, natural language automation and task creation, Zapier, Make, workflow automation between apps, Notion AI, knowledge base and client documentation, Tidio, ManyChat, AI-powered chatbot systems, Google Workspace plus AI, automate emails, reports, and responses. Combine these tools to build powerful systems once and sell them many times. AI consulting is more than just a hustle, it's a future-proof business model. As AI adoption accelerates, businesses will desperately need experts who can guide them. You don't have to be an engineer, you just need to speak both business and AI. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building a real passive income system, becoming an AI consultant might be the smartest move you make this year. Let me know in the comments what niche you're interested in serving as an AI consultant.